Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I want to present about my final assessment explanation. Before that, I want to introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Berkamal. I want to present about the title is the effect of balancing fund and the size of local government on the financial performance of regional government in Banten Province 2012 until 2018 with original revenue as moderation variable. Research purpose. Number 1. To find out the influence of the balancing fund on the financial performance. Number 2, to determine the effect of the regional government size on the financial performance. Number 3, the find of the effect of original income in the financial performance. Number 4, to find out the influence of the regional revenue moderate the balancing fund. Number 5, to find out the influence of the local revenue moderating the size of the regional government on the financial performance in Banten 2012 until 2018 fiscal year. In this research has 5 hypotheses. Hypothesis 1, balancing fund affect regional financial performance. Hypothesis 2, the size of regional government influence the financial performance of the regional government. Hypothesis 3, regional revenue influence the regional government financial performance. Hypothesis 4, balancing fund are moderated by regional own source revenue to the financial performance. Hypothesis 5, the size of the regional government is moderated by the local own revenue to the financial performance on the local government. I want to do research in BPK Banten Province at Sheikh Nawawi Al-Bantani Street in Serang City, and the time is April to research is the completed. Next, population and sample. In this research, using non-probability sampling with standard sample method. This method is used to determine the number of samples if all members of the population are used as research sample. The population be studied is all city regencies used is 8 cities and regencies in Banten Province. Next, data collection technique. Number 1, Banten Budget Realization Report 2012 until 2019. Number 2, Banten Regional Balance Sheet 2012 until 2018. And the analysis technique. Number 1, descriptive analysis. Number 2, classical normality test. Normality, multicollinearity, autocorrelation, and heteroscedasticity. Number 3, regression analysis model. Number 1, multiple linear regression for hypothesis 1 until hypothesis 3. Next, moderated regression analysis for hypothesis 4 until hypothesis 5. Number 4, hypothesis test. T-test and test the coefficient of determination. In descriptive analysis has 4 variables. Number 1, balance fund has minimum score from Tangerang City 2016. Next, maximum score from Tangerang City 2013. And the mean has 1,000,498,880,670. Next, standard deviation has 400 billion 853,738,348. Next, variable 2 is size of local government. The minimum score has from Serang City 2012 and maximum score from South Tangerang City 2012 and has meant 5,889,669,996,727 rupiah. And standard deviation is 4,772,433,014. And next variable is regional government financial performance. Has minimum score from South Tangerang City 2014 and maximum from Pandeglang Regency 2012. Has meant 0,63 and 0,174. Next, locally generated revenue. Minimum score from South Tangerang City 2014 and maximum score from Serang 2015. Has meant 840,904,616,409 and standard deviation for locally generated revenue has 90,172,002,97 rupiah. And next, normality test. In regression 1, in the first regression table, it can be seen that a same value of 0,2000 greater than 0,05, so the data can be said to have been normally distributed. Next, in regression 2, in the table shows that the SM value of 0 to 1000 greater than 0,05 means that in the second regression it can be concluded that the data has been normally distributed. Next, multicollinearity test. In regression 1, in the table shows that the first regression shows a tolerance value greater than the value of 0,10. It means that there is no correlation between variables and the result are also strengthened with a fifth value of less than 10. In regression 2, in the table shows that the first regression shows a tolerance value greater than the value of 0,10. It means that there is no correlation between variable and the result are also strengthened with a value of less than 10. Next, autocorrelation test. Based on the test result, it can be seen that the value of the Durbin-Watson of 10 is equal to 2,0087. This figure will be compared with the acceptance of regression criteria by looking at the DL upper and DU values found in the Durbin-Watson table with a significant level of 0,05. Next, in regression 2, based on the result of the second regression model, after moderated, the Durbin-Watson value is 1,9651. The number will be compared with the acceptance of rejection criteria by looking at the DL upper and DU lower values found in the Durbin-Watson table with a significant level 0,05. Next, heterokedasitas test. Based on this result, it shows that the significant value of the first regression is above or exceed the error rate of 5% or 0.05, or it can be considered this first regression model escape of is free from heterokedasitas problem. Next, based on this result, it shows that the significant value of the second regression is above or exceed the error rate of 5% or 0,05, or it can be concluded that this first regression model escape or is free from heterokedasitas problem. Next, linear regression analysis. A constant value of 5,2373 means that if the balance fund, the size of the regional government and the original regional revenue value is, then the financial performance of the regional government is 5,2373. And next, the regression coefficient value of balancing fund is mean 0,1053. And next, the regression coefficient value, the size of the regional government is 0,1209. And next, the original regional revenue value is 0,0482. Next, moderated regression analysis. A consistent value of 3,6783 is a value that indicates that if there is no influence on the balancing fund, the size of the regional government, regional on-source revenue, the balancing fund is moderated by regional on-source revenue, and the size of the regional government is moderated by the regional on-source. Next, t-test. In regression 1, the probability value that mean is less than the significant value of 0,05. This means that the variable has an influence on the regional government financial performance. T-test in regression 2, the probability value is which mean is smaller or bigger than the significant value of 0,05. This means that the balancing fund variable has an influence on the regional government financial performance. In the regression 1, the adjusted R-square value, the table is 0,4892, or state that 48,92% of the financial performance of the regional government is influenced by the balance fund and the size of the local government as well as local original income. Next, based on the result of the second regression class, the coefficient of determination can be seen from the value of the adjusted R-square of 52,20 can be influenced by the balancing fund and the size of the government as well as the original regional revenue even after the effect increase after that is explained by other variables. Next, conclusion in this research number has 5 points. Number 1, the balancing fund has a negative effect on the financial performance. Number 2, the size of the regional government has a negative effect on the financial performance. Number 3, regional original income has a positive effect on the financial performance. Number 4, local on revenue moderate the balancing fund to the bottom provincial. Number 5, regional original revenue does not moderate the size of the regional government. Thank you for watching. Maybe the result is useful. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.